birthday, Nanay. Everybody sing. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Uy, sabihin nyo na yun ang ano, kay ma-blow na si Mother. Okay.
May pro, ay?
Oh, may paspro ah. Ay, abaw! May nag-ano din nga, doggy. Man din nanay na birthday man ng doggy.
Light.
Pay lang namin. Ganun siya. Upo din sa kay Lula niya.
Charmy.
Grabe din si nanay. Damo rin yung cake po. Nabangan mo yung June?
Sharon Balutin ito. Sumunod niya ako. Oh, luwag!
Go!
Happy birthday.
Sa'yo ang cake. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami.
Wish anay before mag-blow. Kasi mga di ka pa ha? Tapos na.
Tunan ko ng mga kapuan ng kabataan.
Kasi ko na nakadipas. Oh, blow na, blow na, blow.
Okay, blow!
Isa. Dua. Ay, hindi. Oh, ay, hindi ka lang po. Puliganda. Isa. Dua, tatlo.
Okay. Ang birthday na. Kiss na to.
Antes mag-aangkes.
Kiss na to. Kiss na birthday.
Oh, sino pa ang masunod? Oh.
O, sige na ka mo. Oh, yes. Yan. Wow.
Basta, ba't ka karoon?
Bini. Di si Nikki.
Yay.
Video na. 1, 2, 3. Waki!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Okay.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Okay, John. Cute, baby. Kabalo ka man nga birthday. Ilan na ni ka years old, Han? 2. Hello, the baby lang gyapon.
Ang baby mo pang black.
Gali? Cute. Kain na po. Ikaw ya? Kompleto bakuna, ayos? Them? they will greet you happy birthday. Yeah. Because you know your lahi is handsome. That's why the more girls coming. Okay? Mother, how old are you, Mother? How old are you, Nay? You are 83 or 82?
87.
82nd pa lang. Wow. You look like 60 only, Mother. Yes.
Try yung pinggan mo.
Abang may padala ka, Papa mo na.
Si Toto. Nauwi-uwi pa sila. Hey guys, this is my family. We're celebrating the birthday of my mother-in-law. And the last portion is putsiko. Okay, putsiko this one. And just slice and putsiko this one. Also in the pancit. And mother, thank you very much. Happy birthday. It is over. Thank you sa among celebrant nga mother.
Hindi ako na nga.
Putsiko si Mom. Ready to go home, guys? And we have our putsiko. Yoho, Pinoy style. Putos-putos. Puli na kami, di ba, Nay? Si Nanay. Nanay. Birthday, Nay! Happy birthday!
Salamat!
Welcome, Nay! Nabusogid kami! Okay. Driving the city road with this beautiful and handsome girls, the young generation. Wow! Hop, nago siya. Tama. Ayaw gid man makagraduate si Jan. Home sweet home. Na-enjoy gid kamo tanan. Ay yung mga teenagers home sweet home. Di pa ko dito sa salakyan, guys. Okay.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, kami ang kakain. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday, Nanay. My mother-in-law, the most beautiful mother-in-law in the world. Happy birthday, Nay. Wish you all the best and good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Mother. The best mother-in-law in the world. Happy birthday. And to all viewers who is watching my vlog, thank you so much. I hope you will continue to support my vlog, and please do subscribe and don't skip ads. Thank you so much for the support, and I love you all. Also, I would like to say hello to all my subscriber and avid supporters, to Sis Marie, to Ma'am Lou and husband, to Tita Rachel, and to my cousin Tuto Ameng, and to Inday Mel in Italy. Thank you so much, guys.